Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about linear airdrop. So actually we'll be able to still earn this linear XP. Okay, so if you get this XP, so you will get the airdrop for sure. Okay, so we have already got so much of XP from Interact itself. Okay, so I've personally got overall we'll be able to see here in our VIP zone I've got 1533 linear XP I got. So don't miss this one guys, because so in layer 3 also we'll be able to earn this linear points. It's very simple. So in this video I'm gonna cover you welcome part and PG and MMO. Okay, so this part. Okay, and if this video gets above 150 like or nearly 200 like, I'll be covering all these other parts also. Okay, so for that we need to complete all these tasks, and I've already made a video about this one yesterday night itself, spending around midnight 2 o'clock, but it is not clear. Okay, so I want to clearly explain you what and all you have to do, so then you will understand it clearly, then you will be able to complete all the tasks. Okay, must watch this video until the very end guys, so then only you'll be able to understand. And one more thing, you'll be having your personal referral link also. You can share people, by sharing also you'll be able to get some linear XP token. So altogether you'll be able to refer 200 people. If you refer 200 people, you'll be getting 200 LXP point. Okay, and apart from that, this is our VIP zone. I wanted to explain you this also. VIP zone is nothing but 1700 XP. If you have above 1700 XP already, you will be coming under tier 1, or else if you are having testnet Voyager NFT also, you'll be coming under tier 1. Okay, so I'm having testnet Voyager NFT, that's why I'm in tier 1, and they will give you 3 2x linear XP multiplier, and you can actually redeem it and then you can use it in order to increase your point. Okay, so for example, if you earn 1 LXP, it will be coming to you for 2. Okay, that is called 2x multiplier. So must watch this video until the very end guys, then only you'll be able to understand how everything works. And before we start our video, if this is the first time listening to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and click the all button, and like this video and continue watching it guys. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, so like the video and continue watching it guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details and airdrop link and everything. And if you're not grinding for mode airdrop, must try this guys. By just grinding for a mode airdrop, you will be eligible for Kim exchange airdrop, iconic money airdrop and pool shark airdrop and all. Okay, so must grind for mode airdrop. It could be a huge one. And the next thing is, I've already posted about this campaign. Okay, LX linear campaign inside my Telegram channel. So this kind of time sensitive information, if you want to get must follow me inside my Telegram channel guys. So guys, actually I wanted to explain one more thing is, like, we will be able to get 200 LXP extra if we do bridging before February 2022. We have only one more day left, and it's nothing but we just need to do the bridging. Okay, so ZK bridge, we gotta use it. In case if your account is eligible for the proof of humanity, try to do this one. And we don't know, we are not sure about the Snapchat have taken or not, but you must try to do this one. We have until time February 2022, that's what in their Discord moderator said. So try this guys, and it's simple. You can just, we got a bridge. Okay, so for example, in case if you have balance in Ethereum Arbitrum chain or else in Optimism chain, so here choose Ethereum, and here choose Arbitrum. If you have balance in Arbitrum, choose Arbitrum. If you have ZK Zinc also, you choose ZK Zinc. Okay, so I've bridged it through Arbitrum only, so it will cost very low gas fee only. So must try to do this one guys, in case if you haven't tried this one. And coming back to the topic, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll be leaving this link inside my Telegram channel, so just click on that, it will take you there, and just open this page. And first thing, you need to connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet, you are good to go. Okay, so first thing, we need to click on this one. Okay, so just click on this one, so it will take you here. So here all we have to do is just click on the getting started and click on continue, and click on continue. Just go there and follow them and come back. So once you complete it, we're gonna go to the next task. Next task is this one. Okay, so here also same thing only. So I've already completed all these things. Okay, here you can see quest got completed, but still I'm just showing you. Just click on continue, continue, and again continue. Just click on continue for all these things. And if you want to learn about it, you gotta read it. And one more thing guys, if you wanna try this this LXP, you must have completed this proof of humanity process. So I have already completed, and here you can see you have completed the proof of humanity. So must even you have to complete this one, and just click on continue and click on continue. And if you want to get to know about more VIP thing, no, here you can see if you have 1700 LXP in your wallet, you will be coming under tier 1. If you have 1200 LXP in your wallet, you will be coming under tier 2, and tier 3 if you just have only 600 LXP in your wallet. So just click on continue. And finally, referral thing, like I said you, if you refer 200 people, you're going to get 200 LXP. If you refer 100 people, you're gonna get 150 LXP. If you refer 50 people, you're going to get 100 LXP. Okay, so just click on continue, and finally time for quiz. So quiz is nothing but, so here you can see guys, yesterday video time for quiz. Just click on continue, and here where and all we can share our link, just click on all the above. And then how to collect LXP in Linear Park after you completed proof of humanity, just click on continue. So once you click on continue, this quiz will be done. Okay, so just click on continue, everything will be done. So these are the, I recorded this last night itself, so we completed 2 of these things successfully. And move on to the third one. Just click on the third one. Here also I'll just show you with this itself as an example. So here just click on begin first thing. Just, so once it got open, just click on begin and open the quest. We have already completed the quest. Just click on the continue again, and again click on continue. Just click on continue, and then now time for the quiz. And here we need to select what should you do when you are about to sign the transaction in the MetaMask. We have to reject the transaction. Just click on the reject transaction, click on continue, and which of the following option is not potentially benefit of adding security in MetaMask Snap. Okay, so further the correct answer is allowing you to share you the secret recovery phase. Just click on that and click on continue, and even this quest will be completed. So currently we have completed all of these quest. Okay, so very simple only guys, just go inside and complete each one of these things. Quest answer and all very simple only, you can itself just easily complete it. Once you complete all these things, we will be earning 30 XP. Okay, so at first we'll be earning 30 XP on our top, you can see. So 30 XP, it's very easy for us to claim. And the next task is this one. Just click on that, the Space Falcon ecosystem task, and this task is not currently operating. Okay, so when I was actually trying to open this, so here you can see guys, some problem they are facing. The attention, this app is facing sold out error, so it is locked for 24 hours, and we have 6 more hours to unlock. So after it get unlocked, we just come here and try to complete the task. Okay, simple only. But guys, here we need to spend money because in order to mint the NFT and all, we have to spend gas fees. So we'll do this later after 6 hours. Just come back here, and the next task is this one. Okay, so gamer boom. So just click on that, it will open. So what we have to do is just come here and click on continue, and click on continue again continue. And first thing, we need to sign up for the Genesis proof. So just open the gamer boom, and it will open. And just click on use MetaMask, and just click on this yes let's boom. And once you click on that, MetaMask will pop up, and then we need to do the sign in transaction, which will cost around 0.17 cent. So just click on OK, and then it will be done. Okay, so and then transaction will get confirmed. So once it got confirmed, just click on this one, and then so we can actually mint this Genesis Boomer NFT, but currently we can't do that. Total supply got minted yesterday night when I was making the video. Here you can see the public mint price was around $10, something like that, and it already got sold out. Okay, so now we can't do that, and we can mint this free OAT NFT, which is infinite NFT. But if you click on mint, it will ask for you to sign up. Just give your email address and verification code and create an account. So once you create an account, then we'll be able to purchase it. And so just click on the mint. Okay, so once you click on the mint, we'll be able to mint this Genesis OAT NFT. Simple thing only. So just click on the mint, and MetaMask will pop up. We need to just click on the confirmation. Here you can see gas fee we are going to spend for this 0.80 cent we're going to spend. So once you click on confirm, the transaction will done. This one is infinite. Okay, so just click on confirm and mint this NFT. So once you mint the NFT, come back here and click on verify, and sometimes it will show some error, but just keep on trying to verify, then it will get verified. Okay, so once it got verified, just click on because we have done the sign in also, and we have even claimed the OAT NFT. So just click on continue both of these things, and finally just join their Discord, and then just click on continue for this too. Okay, so once you completed all the task now, so we can get the message completed, and we can head back here again. So and the next task is this one. Okay, so climb your Nidium mystery box. Actually this one also having some problem, and the thing is I didn't complete this one. Just click on complete. First thing is just welcome only, just click on continue and continue. And the next task is we need to climb the Nidium mystery box too. Okay, so in order to climb that, we need to connect inside their wallet, and they have the user guide and all. So just come here and click on this connect wallet, and it will not let you connect your wallet in case if you have multiple wallet connected with your MetaMask. So what you can do, you need to import your MetaMask in the separate Chrome, and then try to do this task. Okay, so if you want to know the user guide, just click on the user guide, and here you can see what you need to do in order to climb this one. Okay, so once you climb it, just come back here, and then bonus open. If it's like optional, you can leave it, or else if you want you can do that also. But finally if you click verify, this task will get done. So once it's done, even this will get done. Okay, so this task I will be doing it later, since I have to again import my wallet into another web like Chrome or somewhere. Okay, so easy only guys, complete this one also. And the next thing is we need to complete the galactic exploration, unlock your linear travel bag. Okay, so in order to complete this also very simple only. So just click on continue start, just click on continue and continue and continue, and finally we need to create an account. So just click on open this, and then this page will open. Here only we need to just connect your wallet. Okay, so connect your wallet and create an account. This task will get done. Okay, so just click on connect, and then linear MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up, and just connect your MetaMask wallet. And if you roam around here, we'll be able to mint the another NFT. Okay, but this is also very choppy. Many people are trying it right now, so it's not even moving. So many bugs are there. Okay, so guys, don't worry, we'll be able to complete all these tasks later also. And in case if this video gets 150 like or above that, I will be making another video for this action and strategy and social world. So by the time when I'm making video for this one, I might even cover this also. Okay, so must like this video and continue watching it guys, it would be very helpful for me. And once you connect here and do the task, just come back here, click on continue, and this linear travel bag you will be able to get only by just roaming here. But we were not able to do that because the game got stuck. So I've tried it a lot of times, but it's still getting, many people are trying it currently, and that's why this jam is happening. So just complete that one also, you'll be able to get 20 LXP. Okay, and click on continue, and finally we'll be able to complete all the task. Okay, and come back here, and now what we have to do is this Meta Ape City developer. This is kind of hectic guys. When I was trying to complete it, lot of things you need to do. So just click on welcome, click on continue and continue again. And first thing we need to mint the city starter NFT. Okay, so first thing we have to download the game and play the game, and you need to reach level up to 5 to mint the city starter blind box. So we gotta download this game, and then we need to reach up to level 5, then only we'll be able to mint the city starter blind box. So just click on open guide, and then here is the guide step by step process. If you have iOS, download this, and if you have Android, download this one. So once you download it, on top you can see your profile will be there. Just click on the profile, and here you'll be able to see the NFT. Just click on the NFT, and then connect your linear mainnet. Okay, so must have your same wallet in your phone also. So just connect your linear mainnet, and your wallet will get connected with the game. So once your wallet got connected with the game, and then we need to play the game. Okay, so you gotta play the game and reach up to level 5. Okay, so I've reached up to level 5 and even level 8 also. I'll tell you why I reached up to level 8. So play the game and reach. It's very simple game only guys, like town hall. We need to upgrade it. I've already played a game like this, so it was easy for me. So I just completed up to level 5. So once you complete it, just after you completing it, do not try it with the phone. Okay, so just come back here and click on this task and open this guide. Once you open the guide, what we need to do is just scroll down and select this one. Okay, and open this link. Once you open the link, it will ask for your MetaMask. We need to connect our MetaMask, and we have to keep in linear mainnet. Okay, so once you keep it, just scroll down, you will be able to see city started basic is there. So just click on the learn more, and once you click on the learn more, here you can see mint a random meta app NFT. So just click on that, your account does not support this operation because I've already claimed it. Okay, so here you can see my NFTs. I've already claimed these 2 NFTs. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to claim it now. So once you click on the claim, you'll be able to claim this NFT, and just come and click continue, verify, it will get done. And here is the bonus task. Okay, so bonus task is you need to mint a Metropolis master, but actually this task is over, I guess. We need to reach up to level 8 to mint the Metropolis master blind box. So in case if you reach up to level 8, we would be able to open the same guide. And here you can see another NFT. So I told you, no, same way only, just go here and we need to claim this NFT also. So if you claim this NFT too, then you are eligible to claim this LXP. Okay, 15 LXP. So and then click on continue, and we need to follow them on the Discord and continue, and finally all the quest tasks got done. Okay, so just come back here, and final task is unfettered quest. Okay, so in order to complete unfettered quest, just click on continue, and here we need to download the game, and then we need to play the game. And once you play the game, you will be able to if you watch this video, you can find the game how it is. And then here just watch the video instruction to mint this Voyager Odysseus NFT. Okay, so once you mint the NFT, come back here and just click on verify, and then it's done. In order to download the game, just click on the download, and here it will take you. So here you can just download the game and play it. And once you play the game, watch this tutorial video and claim the NFT, and come back here and click on verify, and it will get verified. Okay, so it will take lot of time for me to complete, that's why I didn't complete this one, but I will surely complete it, because you gotta complete all the tasks, guys. If you don't complete it, here you can see we will not be able to move on to the next quest. Okay, so if you want to move on to this quest, we need to complete all these tasks. Okay, so this one is currently not opening, and this one, in order to complete this one, we have to we have to keep only one MetaMask in the browser. And in order to complete this one, you have to download the game and watch already there is a user guide is there. Okay, so you don't need me and all, so just read the user guide and complete the game and claim the NFT, and come back here, and you will be able to see your total XP would be increasing. Okay, so far I have earned 165 XP. Okay, so we don't know how much this value would be, so probably it would be $300 profit itself. Okay, so just try this, guys, must, and claim all the LXP point here, because like this only we have claimed all the points in Interact also, and I have claimed personally 1533 LXP a token. And in the next video, I'll be covering about these things also, at the same time this also. And we have time until April 2nd. Okay, so it started on February 20, and it will go for 6 weeks until April 2nd. Okay, so until then we have a chance to complete all the tasks and get up to more XP. So everything is very simple only, must try this one, guys. It's your another chance of getting Linea airdrop, so do not miss this one. So thank you, guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end. I hope you all like this video, and thank you, guys.